Hey guys, Michael from RW Offroad here, and today we're going to be featuring the 2016 Plus Toyota Tacoma Rock Sliders. These sliders are 100% bolt-on, so there's no drilling or cutting required of the frame. All the components on the slider are CNC laser cut and notched for a precision fit and are made and designed in the USA. Let's go over some of the features. The sliders feature a straight round inner tube as well as an outer rub rail to take the impact and prevent your rocker panels from taking damage. They also feature a kickout on the rear, which helps push your car away from obstacles that you may encounter on the trails. The kickout also doubles as a side step to help you load your gear onto your truck, as well as a step rail for passengers getting into the truck. The end caps on the slider are welded shut, and the slider has 4 support arms that are fully gusseted, as well as a gusset on the kickout for a much more rigid design and less flex on impact. As for finishes, we offer the sliders in a raw finish as well as a textured black finish, which offers more grip for when you use it as a step. Now, let's move on to the installation. You're going to want to start on the driver's side. First, you remove the necessary existing bolts on your frame, removing the modules that rest behind the frame. Then, line up your sliders and thread in the lower tab bolt. You don't want to tighten this tab just yet, just enough to hold the slider up. Then, begin inserting the rest of the bolts into their corresponding holes. Make sure you're inserting the bolts from the inside so the nut sits on the outside of the slider. Once everything is in place and you reinstall the modules, begin tightening down all the bolts. Once tight, you're all done and can move on to the passenger side and repeat the process. Head over to relationsracewheels.com and pick up a set for your Tacoma today.